today, as you can tell by the title, we will be talking about the Amazon Great Indian Festival, which is their annual sale that comes right before the festive season starts here, and it's very recently begun. I don't know how long it's gonna go on for. So in today's video, I will be showing you my picks from their beauty category. There's great offers on electronics, on beauty, especially Amazon fashion. That's something that I would recommend that you try. Today we will be talking about my hair picks. So let's just get started. The first thing that I want to show you is the Dove Care Between Washes Volume and Fullness Dry Shampoo. So one thing I really wanted to focus on while choosing products was to make sure that the products that I'm choosing are going to sort of help in the festive season that's coming up. So there's Diwali coming up, and two of my sisters are actually getting married, so the stuff that I've bought it with that in mind. So the sort of products that I've picked are actually going to be great for like a special occasion thing. I wanted to show this to you first because I am in dire need of dry shampoo. This is my second day hair, I think. I washed it the day before yesterday, so yes, this is second day hair, and I already look like I'm due for a wash. But I actually don't like washing my hair that often, so dry shampoo is something that really comes in clutch. So I just like to kind of section off my hair. So with dry shampoos, you definitely have to work in sections. I'm just gonna put some in my crown area as well. So once you're done with your entire head, you might look like a crazy person for a second. You can just basically take your fingers and zhush the hair a bit, and it should look a little better than before, which it definitely does. I don't run a brush through, I just use my fingers to do whatever I just did, and it already looks better. So the reason I picked dry shampoo as one of the products I really wanted to get for the festive season is because my hair gets really oily very quickly. So this is second day hair, or third day technically, if you count from the day that you wash it. Even yesterday it didn't look that clean, if I'm being honest, because during the festive season you might style your hair a bit. Constantly styling and then washing and then styling and then washing is going to be very, very detrimental to the health of your hair. I actually like delaying the wash as much as possible. Might sound very unhygienic of me, but I actually feel like my hair works better that way. And then the two sort of understood products that you would pick would be a shampoo and conditioner duo. This is the TRESemmé Hair Fall Defense with Keratin Protein shampoo and the same conditioner from the same range. I wanted to get a bigger bottle as well. This one I got the gigantic one. This is the 1 liter. And they were out of the bigger size, I guess, in the conditioner, so this is the one I ended up picking. Because my hair has been it's gone through waves in the last year or so. I very frequently have to like sort of switch my shampoos, and this is the one that I've been using for the past few days, and it seems to be working. I really like the conditioner. If you haven't tried TRESemmé conditioners, I've always been a Dove girl. I've always used Dove conditioners before I started getting into like the hair masks and stuff, but this actually is really good. Like it does the same things that I would expect a mask to do, and of course it's much lighter in consistency because it's a conditioner. So these two definitely. And I would also say, when you buy a lot of things in bulk, so if you've used Amazon before, you would know that they have some offers and sales that last for a few days, and then they have daily offers as well. So these two I actually got in like a daily offer, which was about to end like an hour before I ended up checking out with my with the products in my cart. So you get an even more discounted price for some products. If you're looking to get some products in like a beauty or fashion category, I would definitely advise checking out Amazon because their offers are really good around this time of the year because of the sale. Next product I got was the Toni & Guy Heat Protection Mist. I've never had a heat protection mist. This is the first one I picked up, so I'll get back to you on this. I knew because of the wedding season coming up, I would want to style my hair this year. I've always been kind of afraid of heat styling. I don't use heat on my hair unless it's absolutely required, which actually is very, very rare. Even for some weddings in my family, I have actually never used heat now that I'm thinking about it. I rarely use heat. So I definitely needed a protectant to make sure that I'm not damaging my hair in the process, because I really want to do some cool like hair looks for Diwali and for the weddings in my family this year. Then the next thing I got was the Wella Mystify Me Strong Hold Hairspray. It looks like they've got like levels of hold. This is the third one. I don't know what the other ones are called. This one's just called Strong. This again I got for a very good price. And in terms of hair products, the last thing I got was the L'Oreal Absolute Repair Oil. I've actually been eyeing this serum. This is basically a serum for a while now. The one that I have right now, it doesn't impart as much of a shine in my hair. I have used this once. Just 2 days ago when I washed my hair, I used the shampoo and conditioner, the ones that I just talked about, and the L'Oreal serum, and definitely I've noticed a difference. Anytime that my skin feels dehydrated or my hair feels sort of drier than usual, I definitely like to switch the products that I'm using up, and that usually brings about the change that I'm looking for, and the L'Oreal serum definitely did. And then the last thing that I got was actually a hair styling tool, the Vega curling wand. It's a 22 mm wand and it has heat settings. There's 2 weddings coming up in the family, so I'm very excited about that. Might have to use a few of these products on my family, and you can get all of these products right now on Amazon, but I would advise you to be a little quick because the sale is really good. There were a few products that were in my wish list that are already running out of stock. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. The next video that I'm going to be making will be like a skincare beauty sort of a video from Amazon. I have my wish list ready for my next order. They have really good sales going on the beauty and fashion departments especially. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.